Hi Little Nation, it's me Nalina Knives. I just wanted to say that I received these products complimentary from Influenster for testing purposes. So everything I'm going to be talking about in this video was sent to me completely free. I didn't have to pay shipping, I didn't have to pay anything, they just gave them to me and they really want me to heavily disclose that to you guys. This month's box is called Box of Cozy. So all of these products are sent through Influenster. I'm going to go ahead and link all their stuff down in the description below. So when I first opened this box I was like, it's a little random, but it's okay. I'm random. So the first goodie they actually sent to me was Robitussin. So this is their maximum strength 12-hour mucus relief. You know what? It's flu season. Everybody's getting sick. So I think they had really good intentions sending this to me. And you know what? It'll save me definitely a few dollars if one of us gets sick, So definitely will come in handy. So next I'm going to be talking about the vitamin D3 gummies. I love when I get sent gummies because gummies can be a little bit pricey depending on where you buy them from. Also, I do not have any D3. What vitamin D3 actually does is supports healthy teeth and bones. It also helps support the immune system, the brain, nervous system health, regulating insulin levels, and your cardiovascular health. This stuff is really good and it's by the Sundown. This does not have any GMOs in there and it is called Clean Nutrition. These are gluten-free and dairy-free. They taste like an ordinary gummy. I like these because they don't have that powdery taste that some gummies do have. Reading the back of these are really good. No GMO, no gluten, no wheat, no milk, no lactose, no artificial flavor, no soy, no peanuts, no tree nuts, no yeast, no fish, and these are sodium-free. I definitely give this an A++. Last but not least, they sent me Nutella with breadsticks. Now, I never was a fan of these breadstick things. However, I really do like Nutella. Like I said, they really want me to heavily disclose everything in this video, so I'm going to repeat myself. These are sent to me for testing purposes, so this video is just me testing out products. However, I'm not going to try Robitussin when I'm not sick, but definitely will take these when I get sick. Knock on wood, hopefully I do not get sick. So let's test out these Nutella sticks. There's breadsticks on this side and Nutella on this side. And these are your breadsticks. And you're supposed to just dip these in and take a bite. It hit my tooth. Honestly, I love Nutella. I just don't buy it. Haven't had it in a while. But breadsticks really don't have a taste. I thought they were going to have a taste, but no, it just tastes like Nutella. Well, there you guys have it. And thank you, Influencer, for sending me the box of Cozy. I really appreciate everything that you guys sent to me, and I can't wait for the next box. Thank you.